Hey everybody, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service today to go over the all-new Toro Timecutter Max 54-inch with the Kawasaki engine. The Timecutter Max is a new series from Toro that offers bigger, beefier tires, 4-link chain suspension, and a couple other improvements which we'll go over here shortly. So, let's get started. At the operator, we got a very nice and comfortable seat that is adjustable with the knobs under the seat. As we go to the side here, you do have your deck lift pedal here. It's going to allow you to raise and lower your deck. Use the magnetic pin. The how to cut adjustment is by half-inch increments. It starts at 1.5 and goes clear up to 5. It'll give you a nice how to cut range there. So we go to your control arms here. They offer an adjustable control arm with this knob. So simply loosen the knob. That allows you to pitch your sticks forwards and backwards to the operator comfort, and then tighten that knob up. Very nice improvement that they've made. Just like you've come to love and know in all the Toro time cutters, that parking brake is built into the stick. So you pull this stick in, parking brake is going to be released, put it out, parking brake is now engaged. No hassle with the secondary parking brake lever. As we come around to our controls here, we have our throttle, our choke, our key switch, and our blades. And they've improved to a rocker switch on the PTO switch. So we should see some improved lifespan out of those, not as hard as the pull up, push down on the switch, so should see that last a lot longer. Your seat does fold forwards here. That does give you access to the top of your 5-gallon gas tank. That is improvement from the traditional 3-gallon gas tank, so we get an extra 2 gallons. Gives you more fuel capacity, longer run times. That's all great. As you can see here with the seat flipped up, it does give us great access to the engine compartment and everything. Allows us to service the unit pretty easily. So let's come to the back at the engine. Got a 23 horsepower Kawasaki. Got easy access to your spark plugs on each side. Got your air filter right under here. Lift that up, that gets you to your air filter. As we come to the side, got your oil dipstick, oil filter, and oil drain down there on the bottom. Got quick and easy access to your fuel filter. And we have great access to the battery. So the terminals, those are going to hang out over the fender. Gives you great access in case you like to pull a sprayer or you put a battery tender on there. It's very easy to hook that up, not going to be a nuisance. Then as we continue to go to the side, going to have your fuel neck. This is going to be your fill. Still has the ratcheting cap, very nice and easy. As we go down to the deck, this is going to be your washout port fitting. That fitting comes with the manual, so you'll get that fitting in the manual, hook it up, turn on your hose, turn on your blades, it'll wash out the deck for you. Then you have access to your quick release belt covers. Pull the pin, push in, easily takes those belt covers off. That way you can keep that deck nice and clean. Put that cover back on. Go ahead and put your pin back in place. Just like that, your covers are back on. Got 4-link chain suspension, so one on the back, one on the front, 2 on the other side as well. What that allows us to do is now we can step on the deck very comfortably. Not going to see that deck wobble or anything like that. And then lastly, we do have great, quick, easy access to the top of the deck with this removable foot pan. It can come out. Again, this allows you to get easy access for either cleaning or belt replacement if needed. Alright guys, that is the Toro Timecutter Max 54-inch with the 23 horsepower Kawasaki. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.